In a world where machines become legends, only a few truly transcend time. They are more than just metal, rubber, and glass. They are icons, shaped by hands that soar beyond mere transportation. Crafted with painstaking detail, shaped by unbridled passion, perfected by artisans who saw cars not as simple vehicles, but as moving sculptures meant for the ages. Each line, each curve was drawn not from a blueprint, but from a dream of aerodynamic perfection. It's a design language that speaks of speed even when standing still, a testament to an era when beauty and function danced in perfect harmony. Every detail tells a story. Look closer. The polished aluminum skin, gleaming like liquid silver. The hand-shaped louvers, each one a testament to countless hours of labor. The delicate chrome trim, tracing the car's form like fine jewelry. Every curve whispers of a time when craftsmanship was king, and a designer's imagination was the only limit. The reflections in the paint aren't just light, they are windows into the soul of the machine, mirroring a legacy of excellence. To open the door of history is to enter a world seemingly untouched by the passage of time. Step inside. The air itself is different here, heavy with the rich scent of hand-stitched leather and perfectly varnished wood. It's an aroma that speaks of journeys taken decades ago, now reborn for a new generation. Your hands find the wooden steering wheel, worn smooth by the grip of past adventurers. Before you, the analog gauges glow with a warm, inviting light, their simple needles ready to report the symphony of the engine. This isn't just a cockpit, it's a sanctuary of mechanical art, restored to absolute perfection, preserved for eternity. This is not simply a car, it is a masterpiece. A living artifact that carries the spirit of its creators forward. To see it in its entirety is to understand the full scope of its creator's vision. It stands as a monument to engineering and a benchmark for automotive design. Across the decades, across countless generations, the legend not only survives, it thrives. Cherished by discerning collectors who understand its value beyond dollars, worshipped by designers who still draw inspiration from its flawless form, and celebrated by history as a high watermark of human ingenuity. It has graced the covers of magazines, won the highest honors at Concours events, and captured the hearts of millions. It stands before us now, a symbol of pure automotive artistry, a masterpiece that doesn't just follow the rules of beauty, it defines them. It is the embodiment of a golden age, a rolling testament to what is possible when vision and skill unite. This is elegance. This is heritage. This is timeless.